What's up guys, back in the studio today, and we've got a Range Rover that's turned up for a paint correction detail. So what we're doing at the minute, we're just having a walk round, having a look at the paintwork here, and as you can see, what a mess it's in. Not been washed, this vehicle as yet, but as I say, I just thought I'd show you what we've got to contend with on this particular job. Lots of issues here, deep scratches in the paint, everything's going on. See the blemishes here too? Looks like somebody's washed this with a Brillo pad. Absolutely horrendous condition. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this washed now, and then I'll see you back in the studio. So when we're cleaning the alloys, we've put the pH neutral alloy wheel cleaner on the wheels. We'll let this agitate the dirt for a couple of minutes. Right, so this particular car is just coming for a paint correction detail overall. And the front here, I've cleaned all this up here now, and we want to make sure that we've got no contaminants under here on the wings and that type of thing that can come out once we start machine polishing. Because as I say, when you're doing that with the vibration, the machine and everything, we don't want anything getting onto the pad. Taking a look at the bonnet now on the Range Rover. Absolutely horrendous condition. Lots of swirl marks and holograms going on all over the place. Probably due to poor washing techniques. So let's get this machine polished now and see how we can turn this around. We're just taking a look at the paintwork at the moment on the Range Rover. Now this is the passenger front door here at the moment. You can see the mishmash of holograms and swirl marks going on here, and it looks like somebody's used a Brillo pad, some description, and just gone round and round. So we've just started the first cut here at the moment, and as we move along, you can still see the mishmash going on there in the paintwork. And down here, we've still got more scratches and that type of thing. Take a look at the paintwork here on this section now. What we've been polishing, you see you're getting more clarity and that type of thing there, cutting the defects back. Still got some here, we're going to sort that out. Then we move over here. What a mess. The reason I've got the bonnet up at the moment is that we've got a lip here as well that we need to address as well and get any marks out of there too. On the first stage at the moment here, cut that back now, so that's now looking more like a mirror. Got rid of all the nasty swirl marks and hologram. So what we'll do in a minute, we'll go and take a look round the driver's side and see the mishmash of everything that's going on there. High spots here on the paintwork, so we've just wet sanded that area. Just going to buff this back up now and then sort that out. Debadged the fronts here, got rid of them. All the letters were going anywhere, funny discoloured colour, so we'll put the new ones on at the next stage once we've finished all the machine polishing. would have seen before on the Range Rover at the back here, all them sticky labels and everything that was on behind the number plate, got rid of all of them. Polished all this up as well now. Also we removed the badges too and put new ones on as well. So all this has been sorted, and this car was in hell of a state once it came in. Well, lots of hours have gone in to turn this car around, and now you can see the depth of reflections there in the paintwork. Another mirror finish at Top Car Detailing. Range Rover is now finished and complete here at Top Car Detailing. Many hours of machine polishing gone in to turn this car around. Check out the depth of reflections now in the paintwork on this fantastic car. Find out more about our car detailing services at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. So we're always working on nice cars here at Top Car Detailing, and as you would have seen with this particular car, what a challenge that was to turn that round from a swirl mess back to a mirror finish. And now it's fully protected as well with zirconite ZQ9 ceramic coating. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, but in the meantime, if you like, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. And I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.